check out the 3D printer. Oh, that's the head moving right here. Let's see if I can see that. It's printing out shark's teeth. Where? Oh, I had one a second ago. There you go. I think you can see it. There's shark's teeth in there. Oh wait, I could probably look in this way. I don't want to open the door and screw it up or something. There you go. Printing shark's teeth. And here, check this out. Look at this dragon thing. It's all iridescent flip-flop color. Oop, you just knocked something on your floor there. Isn't that neat?
Piece of sandpaper.
Look at that.
You ready?
Yeah. 3D printed lightsaber. Cool.
A lot of detail on it.
Look at that. I mean, that's pretty darn cool.
This one,
And here's the...
it is more than made for itself.
And there's the plastic feeding into the... It's kind of like a MIG welder that spits out...
Yes.
It's kind of like a... Yeah, and then...
Precision control, black computer control.
Cool. Oh, wow, I can see more of the tooth there now. How long does it take to print those off?
Six of them, it's an hour and 45 minutes.
Wow. Cool.
Now that bowl out there, the Easter bowl, or the Halloween bowl.
And this whole thing is coiled up, comes out in one piece, and it's all chained together. Amazing. So here's the flip-flop. Look, it's blue on that side, blue, purple, purple. And then when you turn it around, it's a different color on the other side. Wild.
This is made out of that same stuff as that dragon. This bowl.
Okay,
And you'll
so
notice
it changes
as
color.
it turns, it changes colors.
Whoa. Blue, green, red, purple. Look at that. Awesome.